Welcome to Double D Do Business. Get ready for our quick dLog packed with insights and inspiration. Think, reflect, and join the conversation. Double D, your thought and positive agitation guides. Let's go.
I was just thinking a moment ago about something that's really important at the moment, and that is our frame of reference. What do we actually have in our frame of reference? And is it helping you, or is it making your day harder or worse? Now, firstly, what is a frame of reference? It's like driving along in your car, looking at your windscreen. What can you see in your peripheral, straight in front of you, close up, far away? And that's your frame of reference. It could be in your job. It can be in your work. It can be at home. It can be how you relax in the evening. I want to ask you a couple of questions about your frame of reference, the thing that you're looking at all the time, your set of circumstances. And here's what they are. In your frame of reference, are there things that are boosting you or energizing you? Are there things that are making you more resourceful or better? Are there things in your frame of reference that are making you worse, slower, dragging you down? Are there things that you should delete? Are there things you should be doing less of? And also the final one, is there things you should absolutely be dealing with almost immediately so that you can remove them from your frame of reference simply because you've done them? If you can improve your frame of reference, the way you see things around you, your circumstances, and give yourself more choices, could you imagine how much more effective, energetic, positive, internally satisfied you could actually become?
Thank you for tuning into Double D and our dLog. Remember to think, reflect, and share your thoughts with us too. Thanks for joining us on our quick dLog journey. Until next time.